Hi guys, thank you for joining. I am Pinky Gupta. I have been working in technology for many years and I'm a certified Salesforce admin. This video is about the study approach I followed and few tips which I'm hoping shall help you all to be successful in your administrator exam. I picked this exam as it is the foundation exam. Think of this certificate as the foundation upon which you will build your Salesforce career, and from here you can go in several different directions. I want to take a moment here and tell you that this exam has no prerequisite certification requirement. However, this is the prerequisite for many of the Salesforce certificates you may want to do in future. So it is a very important certificate to have. Regardless of which Salesforce certification and career path you eventually decide to embark upon, you first have to learn the fundamentals of the Salesforce. And this exam will give you all the important experience required to understand the final details of Salesforce. You will find that it is recommended to spend around 3 months for the preparation. But if you organize it right and you spend time regularly, you can achieve your goal in 8 weeks. Pretty much the way I did. It took me 8 weeks to get there. Also, I want all of you to know that I don't have any prior admin experience. So trust me, guys, if I can do it, you all can do it too. So when I started, I was not sure where to start, what shall be the next steps. It felt really overwhelming because of the massive amount of content you are expected to learn. So don't worry, we all go through the same journey, but we eventually get there. Again, if I could do it, you can do it too. You just have to plan your time right. So here is the structure I would recommend based on my learning experience. First thing you should do is to create an account on Trailhead. Trust me, it is the best place to start learning for the exam. Then I will suggest you to download the latest exam guide provided by Salesforce. That's where you can check exam outline and some recommended training and references. Understanding the intention and structure of the exam is key to passing this exam. Salesforce provides a study guide for every certification test. In these guides, they provide a breakdown of the different sections and their relative weight under exam topics. So you will see all these exam topics are not weighted all the same. Some are more and some are less. So pay attention to the weightage. That is the key. Now you are studying for the exam. When you start by working on admin trail mix. This is a great place to start. This trail mix is prepared by Salesforce specifically to cover all the exam topics. It is combination of quizzes, projects, super badges, etc. I suggest to follow the exact sequence and complete the trail. There are many hands-on practice assignments where you will need to create a developer org and complete the required steps to pass the module. These exercises are very helpful. At first, I felt I'm just following the instructions, but trust me, guys, you get a hang of it after a few times. I use some additional resources as well on my way to the certification. I listened to Mike Wheeler's videos on the Udemy website. In his videos, he goes into Salesforce tool and execute the steps while explaining the concepts. They are very good videos. I studied Focus on Force study guide as well. It is combination of screenshots from the tool and explanation in the text. So this may come across as a little dry initially as it is not video based, but it is very well organized and material is according to the exam outline. For security topics, I refer to Who Sees What series and this is the best, trust me. Everybody has a different style of learning. For some videos work better, for others reading helps. For me, I had to switch between all these resources a lot to understand the concepts. But keep in mind, these are just helping guides. There is no substitute to practicing it yourself in Trailhead Playground. Now, after you have reviewed all the topics from the exam outline once, I'll recommend to create a firm study plan and organize your preparation. For example, I wouldn't spend a lot of time on activity management or app exchange, but I would definitely get all my concepts cleared for security or automation tools. So pay attention to the exam topics weightage and organize your study plan. Practice, practice, and practice. This exam is all about practice. And get your hands dirty in Trailhead Playground. For many topics, I practiced same thing a couple of times. That's how you remember the details. So you need to create and break in the Trailhead Playground. 90% of the questions are scenario based and they are from real life situations. So, deep understanding of all the topics is needed. You can't pass this exam just based on theoretical knowledge. Once you are comfortable with all the topics, I recommend to start with mock test. There are plenty of options available, but I use practice tests from Focus on Force, Udemy, and WizLab. They're all good and help me a lot. They will help you understand your strong and weak areas so that you can organize your focus. All of them have references to Salesforce help topics, so in case you want to read in detail about the answers. Next, I will suggest to set the date. Try to be realistic, but set the date. For my admin cert, I had set a date after 10 weeks. I think having deadline helps as it put pressure on you to continue to study every day knowing that you have to be done. So I set the day after 10 weeks, but later on I decided to prepone the date as I felt confident based on mock test results. Um, I opted for online proctor test and there were plenty of time slots and time available. I took date after 2 weeks so that I have 2 weeks time available for revision. And in those 2 weeks, I just focused on one topic each day. For example, I practiced data management one day and then focused on workflow automation the next day. It helped me focus study as well as prevented me to study the same topic over and over. Next, general tips and tricks. I can't emphasize it more how important is it to practice. You got to complete all the projects on admin trail mix. If you have time, complete super badges too. They are time consuming but helpful to understand the concepts. Basically, you apply what you learned theoretically. Make sure you have covered all the topics listed under the exam outline. This exam outline is like checklist of topics you must cover for the exam preparation. In my exam, questions were from all the topics. So this is very important you cover them all. Just be smart and keep weightage in mind while preparation. I recommend to set some time aside every day and commit to the time and your study plan. Also, I will suggest to make notes for important points which you can refer to night before the exam for revision. You can make notes online or handwrite it. For me, it helps me to see in my handwriting and helps me remember the information. So I opted for handwriting it. So when you feel you are ready, then I will suggest you to take mock exams from WebAssessor. So there is this practice test available on WebAssessor's website. This is very close to the real exam. Just keep in mind you can't retake it. Although these mock tests are very helpful to understand how prepared you are, but there always be a leap of faith you got to take for real exam. But if you have practiced the trail and given all these mock tests and score more than 70%, then you should be good for your real exam. I will highly recommend you to attend one day virtual prep webinar. It is free webinar from Salesforce. It is a 5 hours webinar. Salesforce certified instructor will walk you through some study tips and explain the concepts from exam topics. Sooner you do it, it's better as it helps with preparation. You can also get some discount voucher. Like in my case, I got $100 off any $200 certificate exam, which I could use for within 3 months. Last but not the least, I will advise you to relax before the exam. Giving yourself some downtime will be good. At least it helped me. Useful exam time tips. In the exam, there are 65 questions and 105 minutes to complete. 60 questions are scored and 5 random questions are unscored. All the questions are scenario based questions and they are multiple choice and multiple selection. You got to read all the details and all the options. Read the question carefully. Read it more than once and always check your answers a second time. Devil is in the details. You got to read it, the question carefully as well as all the options carefully. Eliminate the wrong options and find the best answer. Elimination will help you a lot, and it is the key to find the right answer, because you will find two options very similar, but you have to eliminate one option, and that's where your hands-on experience comes in picture. Flag question for review. There is an option to mark question for review, but try not to flag too many, as you will run out of time. Like in my case, I took 100 minutes to complete my exam, and I got only 5 minutes to review my flagged questions. So you won't get enough time to review all your flagged questions. I have consolidated here some useful study resources which I used for my preparation. I hope it will be very helpful for you guys. Now, how to schedule the exam? You have to create an account on webassessor.com, as you can see on the screen. You have to click on register for an exam tab and choose the right exam. Make sure you choose the right one, not that advanced certificate. We are writing exam for Salesforce Certified Administrator. There are two options available: on-site proctored and online proctored. Online proctored, you can take exam from home. Now, if you attended the virtual webinar and you have the discount code, don't forget to apply it. Now, this is how result will look like, and you get it immediately after the exam. The certificate on the left you get in the email as attachment, but you get to see the section wide percentage right after the exam. All the very best, guys. Good luck for your exam. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like the video if it was helpful. If you have any questions, comment or feedback, please post it here and I will reply as soon as I can. You can also tag me on LinkedIn if this video helped you in preparation. All the very best for your exam.